Hi everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hi.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good
Good
evening.
evening, ma'am.
Yeah. Good evening. Good
Good
morning.
evening, ma'am.
So we will be starting in 3 more minutes. Let's wait for others to join in. Then we'll start our webinar. Okay. So what we need to do in today's class is this one level. Okay. So the ones who are new, so they need to know how to log in into the account, or did they have done? You can just put it in your chat. Have you done? Have you completed with the login? So if you are new to today's webinar, see it's already been 6 days that has crossed. So we are doing these things from last 6 days. So what you have to do is you have to go through the levels, okay, in order to reach this level. Fine. So you might be on level number 1. Okay, so the level number 1 might include dev, and in front of it there is an item. So in order to cover that level, what you have to do is, I'm talking to the ones who are new to the level. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to click on the, see it's taking steps in order to cover your whatever item is present at whatever step. And you have to put the number of steps over here, whatever they will be. And you have to run it from here. Click on run and run it from here. Okay. Okay. So now next thing is we need to talk about today's class. So what we need to do in today's class is this level. So if I come on annotating it, so there is, how many steps it has to move? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now either it can turn this way or this way. So let it turn towards right. So how many steps he had to take to turn towards right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. He has grabbed it. Then he has to come back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So it will be coming back minus 16 steps. So it will be moving in negative direction. Okay. So the thing is, it's going to move in negative direction. Fine. Now let's do it for one time. Dev is going to take 4 steps. Dev is going to turn towards right. So Dev dot turn towards right. Then in turning towards right, Dev have to take 8 number of steps. Then Dev can take minus 16 steps. That is in opposite direction. So we are using minus over here. Now they have to move 8 steps forward again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it has to reach over here. So they will be moving 8 steps forward. Okay. Yeah, we will be talking about variables. Don't worry about it. First of all, we will be doing it like that for the ones who are new to the program. Okay. So if we are talking about variables, for example, you have taken a variable that is AB is equals to 4, because initial steps you need to take is 4. So here you can go for AB. Here you can go for 2 times AB. Or either you can set your AB over here, for example. You can go for 2 times AB. You can go for AB is equals to 2 times AB again. You can go for this, or 2 into AB. So now you can go for AB here. Now you can set it as AB is equals to, now it is 8 times, now AB is equals to 2 times AB again. Okay. We can, it's not repeat loop. Repeat it, it is for loop, okay? Not repeat loop. So you can go for minus AB this time. 2AB is 2 times AB, like AB is 4 this time. Then he has to take how many number of steps? He has to take 8 number of steps, and 8 is 2 times of 4, right? Then it has to take minus 16 steps. Then that is 2 times of 8. Okay, got it? Now it could be like that. AB is equals to AB divided by 2. And you can go for AB over here. Let's see how it will work. See, it's half that is working. The full code will not work right now. Then it will turn towards left. That we had not done. Okay. So we need to make it turn towards left, left side. So Dev dot left now. Then Dev have to move how many steps ahead? Dev have to move how many steps there? It is there now. 1, 2. Now it has to move 2 steps. Now AB could be, now it is 8. AB is equals to AB divided by 4. AB by 2 means AB divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 is equals to 4. We are using arithmetic operations over here. So AB divided by 4. Now AB is 8 over here. Since we had made AB 8 over here. Now A divided by 4 is 2, because we need to move 2 number of steps. Okay. So now Dev dot turn right. Then it has to take how many number of steps? It has to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So AB will become 3 times of what? 2. That is AB already. Then they need to take those number of steps. Okay. Now it has to move the same number of steps, like twice of those number of steps in opposite direction. Since it's moving 6 steps, it has to move 2 times of those steps in negative direction. 2 times of AB, and that's 2 in negative direction. And this is minus AB. Now, in which direction it has to come forward? In which direction it has to move? First of all, it has to do like AB by 2, since it is doing twice right now. So AB is equals to AB by 2. So it is performing arithmetic operation with the variables. First of all, my variable is 4. Okay. Then I had made it 8 because I need to cover 8 number of steps. Then I had made it twice of 8, that is 16, because I have to cover 16 number of steps in negative direction. Then I had moved forward, okay, because I have to move half number of steps, so I made them half. Then I turn towards left. It has to take half of, like 1/4 of that. So it has become 2 now. 2 number of steps this way. 1, 2. Now after turning towards right, it has to take 6 number of steps. So 2 into 3 is 6. Now after that, it has to move 12 number of steps. So 6 into 2, 12. Okay. How can you identify? See, you already had stored it, like AB is equals to 4. Yahan pe you had done that. Now your work is done till overhead. Now you had taken 4 number of steps. Now you had counted how many steps you want to cover over here. You have to cover 8 number of steps. And what are 8? What is 8? It is 2 times of 4. So that is 2 into 4 is equals to 8. Now AB has become 8. Now they will take 8 number of steps. Now it has to take 16 number of steps in backward direction. Okay, so now AB will become 16 and we will be using minus AB. Since 16 is what? 16 is the number that we are moving in backward direction. Then we will be moving it forward since we need to take now half number of steps because it need to cover 8 number of steps again. Then it will be covering 2 steps. So 8 divided by 4 is equals to 2. So it will be 2. So you can write it somewhere. You can write it in your notebook on which steps it is in. Okay. Now then AB by 2 where we were. We had reversed. We had halved. Now we need to move forward. So they need to take AB number of steps. Okay. Then it has to turn towards leftward. Now what it has to do is it has turned towards leftward. Now where it is, it was covering how many number of steps? AB divided by 2 is 6. Now it has to cover 1, 2, 2 number of steps. So 6 divided by 3, like AB up, wo 6 ho gaya. Now what we need to do is AB divide by 3. Since 6 divided by 3 is equals to 2. So they will be taking 2 number of steps. Then they will be turning towards right again. It has to take how many number of steps now? 4 number of steps. So how many? Now AB is equals to 2 into AB. So the dot step is AB. So now it has to move in reverse direction. 4 now. Now it will be becoming 2 times of that. AB into 2. AB is equals to AB into 2. So what will it become? It will become 8 now. So it has to come 8 steps in negative direction. Okay. Then it has taken that in negative direction. Then it need to move forward in half of the direction. Or I can just go for AB dot step. Now AB divided by 2. Either I can go for like that. But this time AB is already what? We had not set AB anything. We had just divided the number of steps of AB. We have not initialized. We had not stored something in AB ka value. So we are just putting it half of the steps, then turning rightward. So I just don't want to confuse you with this. So you need to put it this way only. AB is equals to AB divided by 2. So that is how many steps? 2 steps. AB divided by 2 this way, then it will turn towards right, then it has to move how many steps this way. So let's see where will it reach. I'm just covering towards this place. So what is that? 3 into AB. What is it happening? This is nothing like that. Turn left. Okay, we have repeated something over there. That's why that thing is happening. We'll just, yeah, okay. So basically, we had repeated something from here. Like AB was 4, we have moved 4 steps ahead. Then Dave has taken how many steps? 4 steps. It has turned towards right, 2 times of AB. Then what has happened? 2 times of AB has taken place over here after turning towards right. Then it has taken those number of steps. Now AB has become this. Now AB has to become like we had covered till here. I'm just cutting it out. Then we will see where we had made mistake. Control X, run the program. It will turn towards right. It will go back in negative direction. Now it need to move forward. That we had not done. And forward need to be done in which way? Forward need to be done in this way. Now AB should be equals to how much time? So we will be taking it like, see, I'll be taking your doubts after 2 or 5 minutes. Okay, so let's complete this one part. Then we will be covering with the doubts. Okay. So now AB is how much? AB has become 16. Now I have to take how many steps? I have to take half of those steps. So that is 8. So AB divide by 2. Then it will move those steps forward. Now it will go for AB. And then it will turn towards which way? Since it's moving in this direction, they will turn towards left. So let's see what will happen. Now run. So now it has to move 2 steps ahead. So how can it will be moving in 2 steps ahead when I'll be dividing AB is equals to AB by 4 when I'm doing, and I'm making move it those steps forward. See, if I run it now, then I have to turn towards right. Then I have to take Control V. So see, run the program. Now it has to turn towards left. Now it has to turn towards right. So in right direction, how many steps it has to move? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it has to move 6 number of steps. And we are on which steps? We are on 2 number of steps, and it has to move 6 number of steps. So what I'll be doing? See, you can judge your steps from here. How many steps you had taken? 2 steps you had taken. So now 3 into 2. 3 into AB. We had said that. Now what we can do is Control V. not turn right. We need to take steps, and that is AB number of times. Then we have to just go for twice of AB now. And we have to take negative of those steps. So these are the arithmetic operations that could be performed on variables. This is explaining the arithmetic operations, those could be performed on variables. See, it can have multiplication, it can have division. You can also go for addition. We have done addition before. It will turn towards left. It will move 2 steps. It will turn towards this way. It will go in reverse direction. Now we need to make it move towards forward direction by dividing it by 2. Okay, so we need to make it divide by 2. So again, AB is equals to AB by 2. And then I have to take those number of steps ahead. Okay, so we reached here. So how many number of steps were we taking? We were taking 6 number of steps. So again, I have to just reduce it to 2. So AB is equals to AB divided by 3. Since we had here 3 times we had done, no? Now, if we had done this, it will be moving in that direction. After turning towards which way? After turning towards left. Now, step AB should move in 2 steps ahead. Okay. 1, 2. Now it has reached towards 4. So we have to go for 2 into 2. That is 2 into AB. AB is equals to 2 into AB. Then 2 into AB means we have to cover 4 number of steps after turning it towards right. So they need to turn it towards right. Then they need to take those number of steps. Then they need to set up this in. Now how much it is? It is how many in numbers? It was 4 in numbers. So I need to make it 2 step, like 8 steps in backward direction. I'll be going for 2AB again. You can judge the number of steps from the previous move you had made. Then they've dot step minus AB. So minus AB, it will come over here. Then it has to go for half of AB by 2 since it needs to cover half number of steps. Then it will be taking those number of steps. So AB by 2 has become how much? 4. Then I have to go for turn towards left. Then I have to go for AB is equals to AB by 2 again. Baba, I will give you time. I'll give you time for typing. Don't worry. I'll share the screen and let you type. So it will turn towards left. So it has turned towards left. Now it has to move how many steps forward? Okay, that's deviate my focus. So let's make it run till you will see what we need to type in. So you have seen how much we had done, like till where it has reached. You all have seen. You can type in middle, but you need to understand it first. See, just go for it. Like if I'm running it, it's going over here. I can increase its speed as well. So it has reached over here. Now it has to take 2 number of steps that we were lacking. So 2 number of steps how we will be taking. So it is taking, it's just here, and that is half of that one. That is previous one. So AB is equals to AB by 2 again. So those will be 2 number of steps. Now it has to take those number of steps. Then it will be turning towards this way. No, it will not. Why so? It will not. That's, you are just increasing its speed. See, there is nothing related to the power of these there. It's already collection of items. So it is moving in this way. Now it has moved 2 steps. Now it has not to take any number of steps. It will be just taking, I need not to calculate anything. I need to just make it turn towards right. Wave dot turn towards right. Then they will be moving in which direction? They will be taking 2 steps. Then what they will be doing, AB is equals to 2 into AB, that is 4 times. And they will be taking those number of steps in reverse direction. Okay. So it is just moving this way. Now it has to move. Now I have to just go for AB is equals to AB by 2 again. And then I have to make it move in forward direction. Control V. And then I have to turn it towards left. See, everything is repeating. Nothing is more about turn left, and AB will be taking same step again. See, now I'll be showing you one thing. It is, just go to the menu and check that up. It's level number 30. Okay, so see what is happening. I had taken AB is equals to 4. That were our initial steps. Then I had taken step, turn right. Then I have calculate these things up. See, everything is repeating in a much sense. Left, right is repeating in a much sense. So see, this is happening. Now, if I'll be running this, so don't think of copying it, Baba. Don't think of copying it. Just analyze the situation. What you need to do. Just analyze it out. How can you perform? In which direction you need to turn in how many number of steps you need to take. See, go for it. And we are done. Okay. So this is how we can perform our levels. Collecting item is a process that consumes a lot of energy. Dave and his spaceship must collect additional energy from space to make sure they don't run and lose power. So this is what they want to do. There we have reached. Yes, Tanya, you can type that up if you have a question. Just try to solve your problem till here. You can type these things up. Okay, I'm just unmuting you, Manya, if you want to ask something. Tell me what's your doubt.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am, sorry, ma'am, it's raining outside. Ma'am, but after 30 level, it's not coming.
After which level it's not coming?
Ma'am, 30 level.
But it will come, just wait. You have to first of all complete it till over here and you need to revise it up. So that's why we are just making you do till 30th level. See, now I have shown you these things step by steps, right? Then how much you need to show in? I need to show you there are few people who did not get many of the things that we had learned till now. So what we can do is we can revise them up, like you had gone from first level to 30th level. But there are few concepts that you have learned, and those are about taking steps, turning right, turning left, about variables, about arithmetic operations on variables, about for loop, that is repetitive loop. There was a person who was asking me about repetitive loop. So we had done about repetitive loop over here. So what is repetitive loop? We all have learned about. I have 3 items. It is performing same task. It is taking 3 steps. And it's turning towards right. It's taking 3 steps. Then it's turning towards which direction? It's turning towards right again, and it's taking 3 steps. Yes, so it is occurring 3 times. So what I'll do, I'll use for loop.
Yes, ma'am, I understand that, but ma'am,
You understood that, Baba, but we will be unlocking it. Don't worry. We want you to revise it till here. That's why. See, guys, you need to see. You have practiced up till 30th level, but your revision is also important, now. Tell me,
yes,
is it or not? It is
yes,
obviously.
ma'am.
So that's why we will be revising the things up, and then from the next class onwards, we'll be talking about the 31st level. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
See, each problem could be done in a different manner. So that our task is try each approach in a different manner, which is giving you a more comfortable approach and proper stars. Okay. Yeah, that's why, Baba. That's what I'm saying. You had not used these options over here. Na? Few of the people had not used for loops. They have already used the steps. So for loops need to be explained. So just go with the for loop as well. The ones who had not gone for loop is used when we are doing repetitive tasks again and again. Yeah. So just try to follow it. See now, it has to do? It has to go forward, taking 5 steps, turning towards left, go forward, taking 5 steps. And it's taking how many items? It's taking 4 items. So the things will be happening 4 number of times. For I in range 4. What is happening? Dave is taking how many steps? Dave is taking 5 number of steps. Then Dave is turning in which direction? Dave is turning in left direction. And this is happening 4 number of times. Okay, Shanmay, I'll help you out with level number 18 as well. So now, guys, there is one thing. Now it has to take 3 steps. Then it has to take 1 step. 3 steps, turn right 1 step. 3 steps, take right 1 step. So you will be repeating it 3 number of times. So since you are repeating it 3 number of times, suppose I want to repeat it 4 number of times. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'll go for 3 number of times first of all. For I in range, what? Dave is taking 3 steps. Dave is turning towards right. And Dave is taking 3 steps. Dave is turning towards left. So let's see whether it will happen 3 number of times or not. Stuck. Because it has taken how many number of steps? 3 steps. Then it has to move in which direction? It has to turn in which direction? It has to turn in right direction. But we had done that. And for loop isn't working in it. But it should work. Dave is moving 3 number of steps. It should turn right. And take 1 step that we had not taken. That's what our mistake is. Now run. And we are done. So this is how the things do happen. So the ones who are new, just try out with these levels as well. This is following the same approach. Either move forward, turn right, move forward, turn right, move forward, turn right. So just go for it. And there was a person who was having problem in level number 18. Let me see that. What was the problem? Then we'll come back to this area. Okay. So what is the problem in this? You need to move 3 steps forward. Then you have to turn in left direction. 3 step forward, left direction. 3 step forward, left direction, and 3 step forward and left direction. Then 2 steps forward. Then you have to turn in left direction again. Then 2 step forward, turn in left direction again. 2 step forward, turn in left direction again. 2 step forward, turn in left direction again. So this is what's happening. What's the issue with it? Shanma, you are having problem in it? Don't worry, we'll go for it. First of all, if you're having problem in these kind of issues, like if you're having these kind of issues in the problem, just try to disintegrate your problem. Do it in parts. See what is actually happening. Dave is taking 3 steps. Then Dave is turning towards right. Turning towards right or left? I think it's left. I'm just wrong in it. Then Dave is taking 3 steps again. So let's see what is happening. Is this what I want? And it's stuck over here. So here it has to turn in which direction? It has to turn in different directions. See, it's facing this direction again after turning towards left. So it has to, after turning towards left, it has to go in another direction. And that direction is which direction? Turn left, turn left. Okay, I'll explain it, don't worry. Now it has to move 2 steps forward. So now it has to move, see, 2 steps forward, then it has to turn left, 2 steps forward, then it has to turn left. So 1 time it has to do this, 2 times it has to do this, 3 times it has to do this, 4 times it has to do this, and 5 times. So let's go for one more loop condition. So I'm just going for 5 right now. So they will be taking 2 steps now. Let's see how this will work. It has turned in bad direction, and that is, it has to go in this direction, but it has turned in which direction? It has turned towards left direction. So that's our mistake. So since it's moving in this direction, taking 2 steps left direction, it has to turn in right direction after that. Okay. So right direction, then it has to turn left, then right. So let's do it. Let's check whether this will happen or not. So let's do it. It's going back because I do not know. Now it has turned towards right, and that's not a right approach. So this is happening 4 number of times. So let's see. Then I'll explain you about this loop. This is for inside for. It's coming back. It's coming back. It's coming back. Because it's doing the same thing again. It is unable to go over here. So that's why we're not going to use loop over here. So in order to do this, we need to disintegrate it first. See, it has turned towards left over here. You know? Now it is taking how many steps? It's taking 2 steps forward. Then it's turning towards right. Then it's taking 2 steps forward again. See, let's run the program. Why it's happening? It's not happening. Why it's turning in this direction? Left need to be turned in. I'm turning it towards left only. Turn left, 2 step, left. Sorry. Left and then right. Should be 2 steps. Dave dot. Turn right. Then they need to take 2 steps. Let's start. So now it has to take left side. Go for left step again. Control C, Control V. Control V. So let's see if it will work. I think it should work. Because for loop though we're gonna use. And we are done. But we are done with how many stars? We are done with only these stars. Those are twin numbers. So I need to perform it how many times? Like turn left 2 steps, turn left step this way. So this could be done how many number of times? Suppose 1, 2, and 3. So let's do it using for loop. for I in range 3. So whenever you got confused with the directions, just try to disintegrate the problem and see how many number of times the steps are repeating. So I need to repeat it more number of time, and that is 4 number of times. So this is how I have to go for it. And we are done. Okay. There is one more thing you can do is you can just go for inside for loop. That will work much better. Now I need to tell you one more thing, and that thing is, okay. So there was a person who wanted to ask about level number 29 using variables. So I'll be explaining you that part in the next class. Okay, using of variables. That will take much of time. So using variables, we can do it easily. That's not an issue. I'll explain you orally right now. So the person was talking about using of variables. That is quite easier task to do. You need to set in AB is equals to 1. Okay, turn it left side, turn its right side. Take that AB step, turn it towards right again. Take twice of AB steps, turn it towards left again. Take twice of AB steps. Okay, turning towards right again. Then how many steps you need to take in? You need to take in 2 times of AB, and that is 2 into 2, 4. So now it will end up over here taking 4 steps. Yes, Baba, it's revision. Okay, you need to perform just the arithmetic operations like we had done in the level number 30. If you're unable to do it, I'll tell you in the next class. Otherwise, you just try it. This is simple as that one only. Okay, guys, any question? Any question you need to ask? You can write in the chat if you want. Okay then, bye-bye. Take care, everyone. Why this thumbs down, Yash? I'm unmuting you. Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am, no doubt. That I am telling.
Okay, no question. Okay. Okay, bye-bye everyone. Take care. Let's meet in the next class. And the next class is on which day? It is on Thursday. Okay. Not on Tuesday, nor on Wednesday. It's on Thursday. Chalu, bye-bye. Take care. Try to revise those 30 levels, okay? Then we'll start with the 31st level.